In this video, I'll show you how to set up Freshbooks for a small business. Start by signing into your Freshbooks account. Complete your business profile by entering your business name, contact details, logo, and preferred currency. Next, open Settings and review your account preferences. Configure your invoice defaults, payment terms, taxes, and notification settings to match your business needs. After that, add your clients by going to the Clients section and clicking New Client. Enter their contact information and save your changes. Now connect your business bank account and payment provider if you want to track expenses and accept online payments. Next, create your products or services, then customize your invoice template with your branding so you're ready to bill customers. Finally, create and send a test invoice to confirm that everything is working correctly before using Freshbooks with your clients. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Freshbooks for a small business. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.